Hello, in this video we are going to talk about the distributive property and go over 4 problems together. So your first definition, it says when a number or variable is written directly in front of the parentheses, it must be blank, and in that blank you're going to write multiplied by everything in the parentheses. So what that's saying is you take your number out front, or in this case your letter A, and then you're going to do A times B, and then A times C. Below that one, you have a negative, and in front of that there's a little -1. So you're going to do -1 times B, and then -1 times -C. Now you have to be careful because you can simplify it. So -1 times B is just -B. There's a sneaky little 1 there, but you don't have to write it. And then a negative times a negative gets you a positive, so you'd have plus C. And again, maybe make yourself a note somewhere. There's 2 things. 1, a negative times a negative equals a positive. And 2, a negative times a positive equals a negative. All right, and then your last one, we're going to do 2 times B, so that gives me 2B, and 2 times C, so plus 2C. So we are distributing. So for example 1, notice you have a little negative out front, so that means there's a sneaky little 1 next to it. So I'm going to multiply each of those terms by -1. So I'm doing -1 times -6.9p, and then I'm doing -1 times -2q. Again, notice I have a negative and a negative together, that makes a positive. And 1 times 6.9 is just 6.9, so we have a positive 6.9p. For the second part, we have a negative times a negative, so positive again. And then 1 times 2 is just 2, so positive 2q. And that's your final answer. Now for number 2, we have 4.5s minus, and then in parentheses, -6t plus 7.3. Notice there's nothing in front of that 4.5s, so that's going to stay. That's still going to be a part of our final answer, and we're just going to simplify the rest of it. So we just brought that all the way down. It's going to be in our final answer. On that other part, we have a negative, and then there's a sneaky little 1 there, so we're going to do -1 times -6t, and then we're going to do -1 times 7.3. Again, when I do this for my first one, we have a negative times a negative. That gives us a positive, so plus 6t. A negative times a positive gives me negative, so minus 7.3. And then again, my final answer would be this whole thing, 4.5s plus 6t minus 7.3. All right, that takes us through distributing our negatives. Now we're going to distribute actual numbers. So again, I'm going to multiply everything inside the parentheses by my number out front. So for this one, we're doing 9 times x. Notice in front of that x, there's a sneaky little 1, so we're doing 9 times 1x. Then we're doing a positive 9 times -6y, and then a positive 9 times 2. And now you just need to multiply your numbers out front together. So for my first one, we do 9 times 1, that gives me 9x. My second one, 9 times -6. You can go ahead and plug that into a calculator, but it should give you -54y. Again, you just multiplied these 2 numbers together in your calculator. And then my last one, 9 times 2, gives me 18. So my final answer would be 9x minus 54y plus 18. All right, and then my last problem, example 4, we're going to do 10 times 5t plus 10 times -3v plus 10 times 10. Again, when I do that, we do 10 times 5, that gives me 50t. We're going to do 10 times -3, which is -30v. And then 10 times 10 gives you 100. Again, if you don't know that multiplication in your head, just go ahead and do it in your calculator. All right, that'll take you through your distributive property. You do have a homework on Delta Math that goes with this. Please let me know if you have any questions, and as always, thank you for watching.